Hey everyone, it's Susie McCrae. Today is Wednesday, October 15th. I hope you are all having a magnificent day. I know I am. I just am here very briefly. I want to make this short, concise, simple, and to the point. In a discussion with Mr. Ash Mufar today, we discussed a few things, and he asked me once again if I could come on and clarify some things. And I said, of course, I'd love to. So before I get to that, as a reminder, the application process for Victory with Ash closed. Ash and his team are going through all of the applications. There was a recent pop-up in the back office that kind of gave you updates on that. And soon there'll be another pop-up with more of the mechanics, the details, and whatnot. The key point here today is not about the mechanics or who, what, when, where, or how. Just the whole overall process of what Victory with Ash is, and the best way for you to understand it. And before I get to his words, which I have listed here, you've got to understand that Victory with Ash is not the new business launch. Okay, it's not the new. Once Victory with Ash is open and there's links being shared and people are invited to come in, it's a free platform, but it is not the new business. And this is from Ash, from the horse's mouth, so to say. He said, Victory with Ash is done. It is done. It just, we haven't gotten in there to see all the goodies. Okay, that's coming soon. Victory with Ash is not our destination. It is a bridge to our destination. Okay, once again, Victory with Ash is not our destination. It is a bridge to our destination, the big, bold, beautiful shared dream. Because Ash said, we chose not to talk about the new dream business within OnPassive, within the ecosystem, within the OES. The decision was we will talk about it in this new platform. All right. It's a transition. It's a transition with Ash. And this is from Ash, with Ash, not from Ash, and not for Ash, with Ash. Victory with Ash. Okay. We've talked time and time again, the old vehicle and the new vehicle. We're in the transition stage. Very soon, you're going to have more information about Victory with Ash. There'll be links out there. There'll be ways to share links, and it's going to be a platform where we're going to be prepared, trained, ready to go for the new, big, bold, beautiful shared dream. Okay, so I just wanted to get that message out there. Many of you already know this, but I highly recommend you share it with people to let them know that Victory with Ash is not our destination. It is a bridge to our destination. That's the best way to describe it if people have questions. Okay, I hope that helps somewhat, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day. Mwah.